what a beauty for the highlight reels.
Robbery by Riddick. Bill Kessel says thank you very much.
That's a little old-time hockey.
Crosby regroups, shuffles it along. Kessel is in, wants a step. Man fell down. Kessel all alone, backhander. He scores! Bill Kessel says thank you very much. Power play goal, and we're tied up at 1.
Sanheim comes over, good pass to Kreider, he scores! Oh, what a play! Hayes to Kreider!
Tom Wilson going for a ride there, a heavy hit comes from Tkachuk. As the fans appreciate Tkachuk muscling up on Washington's 43.
Hands it off. Lindholm in front, and what a save by Martin Jones! Off Jack himself a bird!
Stolen by Monahan, good play. Here's Johnny Gaudreau, cuts off the boards to the slot with a drop pass to Lindholm, up front to Gaudreau, scores! What a beauty! Lindholm to Gaudreau, and it's 2-1 Calgary. That was something else.
That's ridiculous.
Wow.
Boy, absolutely submarines him. Good hit there. Ben went right over top of him.
Blocked away high. This is Coleman with a chance. Backhand, he scores! Blake Coleman gives the Devils a 3-1 lead.
Connolly back the other way for Washington. Sends it across. Burakovsky with a shot. Oh, great glove save made. How do you like me now on that snag with a glove?
Up near center, got over the Ranger line with it. Tavares sets it up, perfect day, score! It had to happen, kind of. Tavares, beautiful play. Matched up there with Stone. There's one of those takeaways right there. Another one. And a takeaway by Vrana. Off the head fake. He scores! Jacob Vrana.
Highway robbery, I love it. Unbelievable opportunity for Joe as he sees an open net there. But look at Gibson fighting to get back and knocks it with the stick. Shab with the stick to keep that puck out.
Now the Devils are out wood, and he gets nailed by Jaros. That's a good hit. Wood'll go right back at him, shoulder to shoulder.
Megan up the middle and trying to fight his way in his end, and he does, and scores! Christopher Ann with his first NHL goal, and what a beauty for the highlight reels.
And now Palmieri's gonna break, along with Hall. Kyle Palmieri, Hall scores!
It was broken up, but Miller kept it on side. It gets rocked by Bennett, who gets control. Sam Bennett with a big hit.
It squirts loose. Zacha will tap this ahead. Maneuvers by Shabbat. Here's Zacha short-handed. Scores! It's a short-handed goal for Pavel Zacha, and the Devils are on the board.
It's a bit of interference. Buffalo with a pass. Great save by Riddick off Little. Robbery by Riddick. Little can't believe it. David Riddick's best save of the night.
Comes all the way back in the Boston zone. Brandon Carlo railroaded down by Jordan Murtnook. That's a little old-time hockey right off the hop.
Unfortunately, couldn't settle down for Konechny.
Giroux stick handling through. Magical move, he scores! Claude Giroux walks through and has tied the game for the Flyers early here in the second period.
Oh my goodness, this is something special right here. Claude Giroux